Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to remove a VW Passat glove box. This process is quite straightforward and allows you to access various components, such as the cabin air filter or other electronics located behind the glove compartment. Before we begin, make sure you have a T20 Torx screwdriver and some non-marring trim removal tools ready. These are the primary tools you will need to complete the job safely and efficiently, ensuring no damage to your vehicle's interior. Let's start by opening your Passat's glove box door. You will immediately see 3 Torx screws along the top edge inside the compartment. Next, look underneath the glove box door, where you will find 3 more Torx screws. Take your T20 Torx screwdriver and carefully remove all 6 of these fasteners. Be sure to keep them in a safe place so they don't get lost during the removal process. Now, we need to access the last few fasteners. First, use your trim removal tool to gently pry out the trim panel situated in front of the gear shifter. Once that panel is removed, you will uncover the 7th and final Torx fastener. Remove this screw. Then, carefully pry the trim piece located at the outer edge of the dashboard, right next to the glove box. This step helps to fully release the glove box assembly. With all 7 screws removed and the trim pieces loosened, you can now release the retaining clip on the dash side. Gently slide the entire glove box assembly out from its mounting position. As you pull it away, you will need to disconnect about 3 electrical connectors and any attached air hoses or shock absorber arms. Once these are detached, your VW Passat glove box will be completely free and ready for full removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.